Oops, I'm sorry, everybody. I didn't realize I hit the go. So, hi, this is Tina with Jelly Postcard Play, and we are on day 12. This one was kind of cool, actually. I really like how I did this. And what I did is I had these stickers of dragonflies and the flowers, and there's another one in there. You'll see that I used a lot of stuff that I had. I have a drawer where it's like miscellaneous stickers from a sticker sheet that had maybe one or two left. I throw it in this one drawer, and this was a good opportunity to pull that out and use it. And this was in there. So what I did is I peeled them out. First I'll start with the background. This is just a jelly print I did in the background, and then I ripped some jelly print again, and then I had these circles I did a while ago of a jelly print and out, and I just kind of went around them with the color, and then some blue and some green, and then I added the dragonflies and the flowers, and this is day 12. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. Please go check out everybody else's at #JerryPostCardPlay. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.